Hey guys, and welcome back. Right now I'm going to be announcing the theme for the Aspland Summer Game Jam. And the theme this time around is Blast from the Past. So this could be absolutely anything you want. It could be from your childhood, your parents' childhood, or hundreds of years ago. Just make sure your theme is set in the past. For example, an old memory you have of the past, your favourite game / TV show, a world war, the Industrial Revolution. It can be absolutely anything you want. Again, just make sure it's to do with the past. As long as you can argue that it's from the past, you can do it. So again, it could even be something which happened yesterday, or the last game jam, or anything you want, because technically, that is in the past. So it can be any genre and type of game you want to, i.e. horror, survival, 2D, 3D, platformer, retro, the list goes on. Make what you're happy with, and you can always double check the rules on the game jam page. And again, make sure to join the Discord using the link in the description down below for updates, help, and a general chat, as well as finding other team members as well if you wanted to. So you've got 2 weeks, and submissions will end on Friday the 3rd of September 2021 at 7 PM BST. Good luck and have fun.